So here you can see the box, so let's unbox it. So now let's start the unboxing. So here you can see the box here, and on the side there are many specifications, and also on the back. So first let's unbox it and then we'll go to the specifications. So when you unbox it, it feels very premium. There's a magnet here, you can feel it, see. So now let's unbox it. Wow, it's very interesting. So first you get is a slip of thank you for your purchase, but we don't need this, so let's throw this. And after that we get the manual, but you won't be needing this because I will teach you everything. And here it is written quick start, it is the quick start, take out, connect and play. So first you get to see the charging dock. It feels very premium, and it has a micro USB port, but it should have been a type C port. So now let's see the earbuds. The earbuds are very small and very light. I hope it's comfortable. And now we get the charger, and then we get some extra earbuds. So now there's nothing left, so let's go to the specifications. So in the box you can see there it is clearly written CrossBeats Air, and the symbol is here. So it is written True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and on the side there are some specifications. TWS stereo chargeable box, and it is compatible with Android, iPhone and Windows, and it has a extra 12 hours battery life. It is the smallest and the smartest Bluetooth earbuds, and the model number is CB Air. It is a Bluetooth 5.0, which is very fast and connects to your phone under 10 seconds, and also it has a talking time of approximately 12 hours and a standby time of 100 hours, and the charging time is very less, for maybe 1 or 2 hours here it is written. And the driver is 6 mm, which is decent but not very good, and the sensitivity is 100 decibel, and the audio codec is of SBC. So now let's see this earbuds. Here you can clearly see the earbuds. These are very small and looks very good, and here is the sign of the CrossBeats company, and it also has buttons on it. So let's put this on. So while putting this, it feels very comfortable, and one thing I forgot to tell you, that there is active noise cancelling here, so it is very good. You cannot hear background noises when you play it. Even when I'm not playing it, I cannot hear the background noises. I can only hear my voice. So it is very interesting, and it is very comfortable, and it will not even fall off when we shake it like this. So now let's play some beats with the CrossBeats. So friends, let's start the beats. So it was very interesting and I loved it. You can even hear it when you have not put it on, and also you can see this when it is pairing, it will show blue and red light. So I think this is the end of video now, so let's end it. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel for more. So let's